Hello everybody, welcome to Dr.K.Liu Math channel. This question is from one of my students asked me about the Cauchy sequence. Of course, his question is about in view analysis. In view analysis, view means real number analysis. Okay, here we call if x is a Cauchy sequence, then absolute x must also a Cauchy sequence. Is true or not? Yes, it is true. First, I state the definition of Cauchy sequence. X is Cauchy sequence if and only if for all epsilon greater than 0, they exceed n is integer, a natural number, such that xn minus xm absolute less than absolute sign less than epsilon for all m n greater than n. This is the definition of Cauchy sequence. And then for absolute x, now I have to, if this is satisfied, this condition is satisfied, then for the absolute xn, which it means for all epsilon greater than 0, I choose n, there is n belongs to n, such that xn minus xm absolute. We call that here we must, this is by the triangular inequality, this must be less than xn minus xm absolute in view analysis. And this is less than epsilon for all mn greater than n. Therefore, xn must be also a Cauchy sequence. Okay, for the second part, what about the converse? The converse is not necessarily true. We can consider the following sequence. But before consider the sequence, I state one theory about the Cauchy criteria. In view analysis, xn is Cauchy if and only if xn is convergent. You can search from the internet and see that it is an obvious theory. Okay, then and now for the converse, I have to propose one example. Okay, consider xn equal to minus 1 to the power n. This sequence is not converged. It's not converged because it is oscillating from 1 to minus 1. And therefore, by this criteria, this Cauchy criteria, and if you want me to prove this criteria, I can do it for you. But you have to leave your message. Okay. Then xn is not Cauchy. Okay. But absolute xn is equal to 1. This sequence is convergent. Its convergent implies it is Cauchy. Then it is the counterexample to prove x is Cauchy, then absolute x is Cauchy sequence. But the converse, if absolute xn is Cauchy sequence, then x is not and may not Cauchy. Okay. And I hope that you can enjoy and understand this epsilon delta epsilon language and also the counter example, and hope guys can enjoy this, and please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.